My heart aches and a drowsy numbness pains my sense, as though of hemlock I had drunk, or emptied some dull opiate to the drains. 1 minute passed, and 'neath the wards had sunk. Throated ease. Oh, for a draught of vintage that hath been cooled a long age in the deep delved earth, tasting of flora and the country green, dance and Provençal song and sunburnt mirth. Oh, for a beaker full of the warm south, that I might drink and leave the world unseen, and with thee fade away into the forest dim, fade far away, dissolve and quite forget what thou among the leaves hast never known. The weariness, the fever and the fret, here where men sit and hear each other groan, where palsy shakes a few sad lost grey hairs, where youth grows pale and spectre thin and dies, where but to think is to be full of sorrow and leaden eye despairs, where beauty cannot keep her lustrous sighs, or new love pined and beyond tomorrow. And hear each other groan, where palsy shakes a few sad lost grey hairs, where youth grows pale and spectre thin and dies, where but to think is to be full of sorrow and leaden eye despairs, where beauty cannot keep her lust